Empty bottles, messy bed, clothes are hanging off the shelf. Memories scattered in my head. Been a mess since you left. Watching screens, closing shades. Drinking, eating by myself. Haven't left here in days. Been a mess since you left. And I've been keeping all your boxes in case you ever wanted to move back in again. But it's been a while and I think I need to clean my room. The space you left inside me too. I'll get your clothes out the drawers and forget your love out the door before I show this place to someone new. I think I need to clean my room. Wash the windows and the pain. Get the dust off my chest. Found the letters that I gave you. You didn't take when you left. Your grace will be enough when my eyes can't see what you have prepared for me. Your grace will be enough. And strength is rising as I wait patiently. Your words, they comfort me. Strength is rising. Lift up your heads, you weary souls. Our God is not done yet. Our King will come with the morning light, bringing joy to the darkest of night. Carry on, all you pilgrims. Don't lose heart, for the journey is long. At the end of your wanderings, lift your hands and bless the Lord. Carry on, all you pilgrims. Don't lose heart, His strength will still come. At the end of your wanderings, you'll see the grace that He giveth and giveth and giveth again. Your word will be enough when I cannot hear, when I start to fear. Your word will be enough. Your voice will lead